In this video, I'll show you how to process a refund in Zoho Books, making it easy to manage return payments and keep your records accurate. By navigating to the sales section, then click Payments Received. Here, locate the payment you want to refund, double checking the details to ensure it's the correct transaction. Click on the payment to open its detailed view. Next, select the refund option, which will take you to the screen where you can enter the refund details. Decide whether it's a full or partial refund. Then input the appropriate amount carefully. Once everything is correct, click Save. This action confirms the refund, updates your records automatically, and ensures your financial data stays accurate and up to date. And that's it. You've successfully processed a refund in Zoho Books, keeping your accounting clean and customer relations smooth. Like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tutorials.